So far, what I've got done is taken the exhaust off, the whole back end's all gone, taken out. I've got space now to fit under there, fit myself under there, and now I'm gonna go grind out all the rust, all the flakes and stuff, and then start chopping. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Grind all this here so it's nice and flat, no flaky rust pieces. Yeah. So just got finished sanding everything, getting rid of all the flakiness, and this is what we've got so far. So, probably can't see this. Well, all the flakes are gone, so it's just the surface rust, which we're gonna clean up later on. But at least all the flakes are gone for now. Same for that side. A few extra holes, a big one there, not much, and I think there's one there, and yeah, one there, but it's alright. So right now I'm going to be doing this thing, so I'm going to be cutting all this out so then I can put in a new piece of plate, and then I can just get it connected to the fender and then seal it with some seam sealer. Now you got a thin metal cutting disc. I'm gonna use a plate. Cut this metal plate out. Okay, I just realised my battery just died on the camera. Finished cutting up all the inside here, so, and then the bottom piece, so I'm gonna clean it all up,
cut some more out, I guess, and then probably treat the rust, and then plate in a new piece. But first, I'm gonna start working on this and probably fill in this little hole too. I don't know what the hell this is. It must be like they didn't bother welding anyway, whatever they did. And then you can see it's got a little gap. So, but I'll just seal that up and then should be good. Put some body filler over it, smooth these out. So, gonna do that. Just gotta remember where this little hole is for the side skirt, just like this one. Welding that plate in. Bit messy, but I'll grind it down a bit. Doesn't have to be, it's not going to be seen anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right now I'm going to be working on the inside for there's three spots that pretty much gone through. So, right, let me get in here. Gonna be putting some plates on this right now, so I'm gonna just use a grinder, clean it up, and then maybe square it, make it a square piece of it, and then boom, weld that on then. And then same for that piece down there. It's not as big, don't think you can see. Oh, you can. Just plate that up too. This part here, small one, so I'll probably do the same. Just cut it there as well. Yeah. And then that would be, and then this one possibly might have some stuff, might have a hole, or might be weak. So I'm gonna clean it up and then I'll start poking it, see if it'll go through, and if it does, then I'll just plate another piece up as well. So I got the inside all welded up. The patch, got some patch there, same for that side too over there as well. Still gotta clean it up a little, you know, grind down the, just clean it up and then seam seal it. So that's all I'm going to be doing for this video, and then so the next video I'm going to be doing the sills. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.